Hello, everyone. Your top one famous locomotive engineer with BNSF 8395. And today, we finally have a lift in our shop right here. Let me show you the procedures. So, be sure to turn this off when you're done using the lift. And then, here's your legs right here. Set it to however you want on your car or truck. Oh. Mostly this side's the same thing. And then, let's lift her up. And then press lock. And then you press lock. Make sure it's completely on the safeties. Just check real quick. Not completely on the safety. Let's move it down just a little bit more. Sorry about the bug, guys. Do you guys hate silly bugs too? I do. Alright. Yep, we're completely on the safeties. And let's bring her down. It has to go up just a little bit just to completely get it off the lock. Here we go. We just got these nuts torqued down to like 150 foot-pounds. Like the bolts that go on the concrete. Oh, guys, I want to give you guys an update. I'll create like an sorry. Alright, guys. So this beeping lets you know that it warns you to not get your foot crushed by the legs. So there it is. It's beeping on both sides. Oh, it really matched. Make sure that your height is all zeros, because guys, this lift is made in China, like my daddy told me, and this weighs like 5,000 kilograms, and this lift can lift upwards of 10,000 pounds. Let's flip her off. It can be the switch here. It has to be powered by 220 volts AC. Same with plasma cutters. And guys, I want to give you a quick update that I'm gonna start an exit sign YouTube channel, which we call I'd say let's do exit signs. Let's do my exit sign YouTube. Let's do my exit sign YouTube channel called oh yeah, let's call it super cool exit sign 650. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications, please. And I'll see you on the next video. BNSF 8395 out.